to change keyboard theme to light, dark or solid dark on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Themes. So you will see click on Theme. After click on Theme, you will see four option is showing here: light, solid light, dark and solid dark. So you will select themes. So if you want to set dark, so click on dark. If you want to set light, so click on light. If you want to set solid, so click on solid. If you want to set solid dark, so click on solid dark. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change keyboard theme to light, dark or solid dark on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.